Walk into any gym or scroll through fitness social media, and you'll likely encounter the world of BCAAs. Touted as muscle-building magic, these supplements promise faster recovery, reduced soreness, and amplified gains. But do they deliver? While the fitness industry hypes BCAAs as the holy grail of muscle growth, the reality is more nuanced. This essay dives deep into the science behind BCAAs, separating evidence-based benefits from clever marketing tactics. We'll uncover the truth about their effectiveness, explore potential downsides, and reveal superior alternatives to help you maximize your fitness journey. Get ready to learn whether BCAAs are a worthwhile investment, or just another overhyped supplement lining the pockets of fitness companies. BCAAs, or branched-chain amino acids, are the building blocks of protein crucial for muscle growth and repair. This group consists of 3 essential amino acids: leucine, isoleucine, and valine. Essential means your body can't produce them. You must obtain them through your diet. These amino acids play distinct roles in muscle protein synthesis, the process of building and repairing muscle tissue. Leucine, in particular, acts as a trigger, signaling your muscles to kickstart protein synthesis. While all 3 BCAAs are vital, their individual functions highlight the importance of a balanced amino acid profile for optimal muscle health. Marketing claims surrounding BCAAs often promise the world rapid muscle growth, enhanced recovery, and increased energy. While some claims hold a grain of truth, the reality is often overblown. Let's examine the science. Muscle growth. Leucine does stimulate muscle protein synthesis, but studies show this effect plateaus when consumed within a complete protein source. In simpler terms, a chicken breast or a scoop of whey protein provides enough leucine to maximize muscle growth, making extra BCAAs unnecessary. Recovery and soreness. Some studies suggest BCAAs might reduce muscle damage and soreness after intense exercise. However, the evidence remains inconclusive, with other studies showing minimal impact compared to rest and proper nutrition. Energy boost. While BCAAs can serve as an energy source during workouts, their contribution is relatively small, especially when you consume adequate carbohydrates. Section 4. BCAAs, who really needs them? While BCAAs might not be the miracle supplement for everyone, certain individuals might benefit from their use. Individuals with low protein intake, such as vegans, vegetarians, or those struggling to meet their protein needs through diet alone, might experience improved muscle protein synthesis with BCAA supplementation. Endurance athletes during prolonged endurance activities can benefit too. BCAAs can help reduce muscle breakdown and delay fatigue, making them potentially beneficial for marathon runners or cyclists. And individuals with specific medical conditions, in some cases doctors might recommend BCAAs for patients with liver disease, or those recovering from severe burns to aid in muscle recovery and repair. Section 5. The BCAA dilemma: cost versus benefit. One crucial factor often overlooked in the BCAA debate is the cost versus the benefit. BCAAs are generally expensive compared to other protein sources like whey protein or whole foods. When you consider that complete protein sources provide all essential amino acids, including sufficient BCAAs, the added expense of standalone BCAAs becomes questionable. Moreover, BCAAs only provide a fraction of the nutritional value found in whole protein sources. Real food offers a complex matrix of vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients crucial for overall health and well-being. Section 6. Fuel your muscles. Superior alternatives to BCAAs. Instead of relying solely on BCAAs, prioritize these superior alternatives for building muscle, aiding recovery, and improving overall health. Whey protein, a complete protein source offering all essential amino acids including a high concentration of BCAAs at a more affordable price. Casein protein, a slow-digesting protein perfect for nighttime consumption, providing a sustained release of amino acids for muscle recovery while you sleep. And real food, prioritize whole protein sources like chicken, fish, beans, lentils, and Greek yogurt. These options deliver a complete amino acid profile alongside essential nutrients not found in supplements. Section 7. The verdict. Are BCAAs worth your money? The truth about BCAAs is far less glamorous than marketing campaigns suggest. While not entirely useless, Their benefits are often overstated and readily obtainable through more cost-effective, nutrient-dense alternatives. Unless you fall into specific categories like those mentioned earlier, your money is better spent on a balanced diet rich in whole protein sources and potentially a good whey protein supplement. Focus on the bigger picture of consistent training, adequate protein intake, and sufficient rest for optimal muscle growth and recovery. What are your thoughts on BCAAs? Have you experienced any noticeable benefits from using them? Share your experiences and join the conversation below.